And before we cook the side dish, we gotta start grilling our steak. We have a ribeye and sirloin steak. Today's a good day. Here we go, babe. Sizzling hot. Whoosh! Quiet night. Steak night. Whoosh! Okay, back to back. I have my two knives here. This is my Ontario bushcraft knife. My cold steel master hunter. I have some green onions, shiitake mushroom, garlic, bok choy, and we have our steak. They're beautifully cooked, and while we're resting them, I'm gonna cook the side, which is sautéed bok choy. Whoosha! Now it's time to saute our bok choy. First, we crush our garlic, chop it up. Then pour finer cuts. We can use the other knife. Wicha. So basic recipe. Just use garlic, onion over some hot wok. Olive oil. We add the garlic. We're going to brown the garlic a little bit so that it will infuse its flavor in the olive oil. Smells good! Then we add the onion. Very simple recipe. Less than 5 ingredients. This is the bok choy. Chop them like so. Then see if there's like a little bit of dirt, you can wash it again. You can add a bok choy. Salt and pepper. As you can see, our wok is really hot, because we're not gonna overcook our bok choy. Basically, we're just searing it. It'll be crispy, tasty, garlicky, yummy. You know what? Look at this. That's the searing that happens when you put it on a very hot wok. You can use either salt or fish sauce, otherwise known as patis. Ready? Now we gotta put it on a porcelain plate. No cuts. All under 5 minutes. Delicioso. Since we have our hot wok already, all we're gonna do is add butter. It's just a bonus recipe. Same thing, very easy to follow. Butter. Garlic. Ooh, the butter smells good. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter. That's what I'm cooking now is clams in garlic butter sauce. Another simple recipe. Smoking hot! While waiting for the butter to melt, we're gonna get one drink. Just one. Ayaw bumukas po tayo. What's up? Delicioso! Ooh! The garlic is brown. The butter melted. Now we can add our blanched clams. Look at that! Now we can add some green onions. Think that's ready? Let's get another porcelain bowl. Delicioso! That's our second dish. And our steak has been resting for like 5 to 10 minutes, so now it's ready to be cut up. Now we're gonna cook some mushroom and onions so that we can top our steak with it. We're gonna start again with a little bit of butter. With a dash of olive oil. Then let the butter melt. Whoosha! We're gonna prepare our onions while we're waiting for our butter to melt. This is sweet bulb onions. No rules, it's your kitchen. You can chop it up whichever way you want. We're preparing a meal that is both hearty, delicious, that the kids will love. Okay, let's sweat our onions, our shiitake mushrooms, cook it like so. So we're gonna put no liquid seasoning or soy sauce. And some pepper. Tablespoon of water. We're gonna put a little bit of butter on a sizzling plate on the side. Here's our sizzling plate. And then we're gonna cut up our steak. It's been well rested, juicy, tender. Medium rare, pink in the middle. Taste. Mmm. Gonna put it in our sizzling plate, like that. We're gonna top it with onions and mushrooms. Today's a good day. Whoosha! We have the steak and onions with mushroom, rice, watermelon, the sautéed bok choy, and clams. Today's a good day. Now it's time to cut up the sirloin steak. Ooh, Master Hunter knife, really sharp. Look at that. Sliding. Ciao! Sautéed bok choy. Crispy delicious.